Hello everyone. So we are looking at count if s, sum if s, and average if s in this tutorial. We have seen their singular form earlier, which is normal if, average if, and sum if. This is a plural form. That's the reason there we have a s in front of them. So what is difference? As it says, as its name says, it's a plural, and so there is a multiple, so we can use a multiple criteria in this. And in average if, sum if, and count if, we have only single criteria. So let's see the formula, then you will understand it much better way. And what can we do count if in this? Yes, we can do. We can use this for a single criteria, and we can use it for a multiple criteria. And we can completely skip count if, average if, and sum if we have if you can use them in count if s by using single criteria. So let's see the example, what exactly happening here. So we will see count if s. So let's say you want to count something, number of donors from particular sector and from particular city. So let me select a particular sector. I want to look at from services and from city London. So there are two criterias. I have to look two things. So we will write count if s. So criteria range. So this is first criteria range. When it say criteria range, that means what you are looking for. So first, this is the range, criteria range, and I am looking here, as it is a sector, I am looking this one. So I'll just make it absolute by typing F4, clicking F4. Then it says what is your second criteria. My second criteria is city. So from this city, what I am from city list, which city I'm looking for, I'm looking at K14 and K13, and I will make it absolute again by clicking F4 and close it. So now if you see, it says 156. So there are 156 donors from service team and a London city. So I just can change this. I want from liberal professional now. The numbers will automatically change from Bristol, Glasgow, industry. So this is how it will work. Same way, sum if and average if. So here, as we had a count, we wanted to count. There was directly two criterias and criteria range, but there was nothing wherein you have to do a sum or something. So we had only two criteria here. In sum if I type and show you, if you see the syntax, it says sum range. Obviously there has to be something that it needs to be summed, right? So we want donation to be summed. That's the reason we are selecting G. And then again we give a criteria. So first, same way as we have given to count if, we will give a criteria. We are looking from sector range. What we are looking for, we are looking for this particular sector. Then from city range, we are looking for this particular city, and we'll close the bracket, and here it is. So it says 36,170 pounds. I will just click right and change the format to the currency. It's English UK to pound. So this is the sum of it. Then same way we'll do the average of the donation for same city. Average if s. So what you want to average? I want to average. It says average range. So which range you want to average? I want to range donation range. Then it says two criteria. Number one, I say sector. Please look this from this sector list, and this is the city list. Please look this from the city list. Okay, I close this. This is again, we will convert this to currency. We want pound, English, United Kingdom. We need to change the pound. So this is the average. So average is 4521. So let's change the city now. I will just change this industry to trading, and I can see the numbers are getting changed now. So what if we have three criteria? Suppose we want to sum only if donation is more than 1,000. What will do? So it says criteria number 3. So this is how we can use 127 criterias in this. So let's say I want to sum donation, but only if the donation is more than 1,000, count it, or else don't do. So we'll select this range, and now we will give the criteria. So manually I will give the criteria, that is open this bigger than 1,000. So anything more than 1,000 it will calculate. So that says 33,000 only. Same way for average. I want only donations to be averaged which are more than 1,000. Click this 1,000, close industry. So I can remove this and back to the normal. I can remove this. We are back to the normal. Right. So like this we can give 127 criterias inside one sum if, average if, or a count if functions. As per your data you have, and as per your requirement you can do this. So same way we as you understood all this, same way we'll do it for max, and it finds out maximum, or this is minimum. So with the criteria we will see what is maximum donation and what is minimum donation. So let's say if s, so where we are looking for, we're looking at a donation range. What is my criteria range? My criteria is sector again, and this is the sector particular one, and the city range, and this is the city which I'm looking particularly. Close the bracket and say 7,200 pound was the maximum donation done from this sector and this city. Hope you are getting it. And we will change this to pound. Okay. So we will look at the minimum donation now with the criteria minimum if s. So in donation we are looking, criteria is again sector, looking at this particular sector, city is this, looking at this particular sector, close. I can directly click on this format printer and make the format change. Okay, so here it is. Now I will make the changes in the sector and see everything changes. Thank you. This is it from the power function, and we will further move to other functions. Thank you.